Using the sauna is one of the best activities that you can use to increase your physical, mental, and emotional wellness. If you're new to the sauna or just want to get the most out of your experience, today we're going to go over 7 of the most important things to remember. Number 1, hydration. Getting enough water is one of the most important and obvious things to remember when using the sauna. If you sense that you're dehydrated, definitely put off the sauna until your hydration levels are restored. The best way to hydrate is to start several hours before you plan on using the sauna and slowly drink up to about 2 quarts of water. This way you're adequately hydrated when your body starts heating up and needs to produce sweat. Now lots of sauna enthusiasts will advise against drinking water while you're actually in the sauna. For me personally, I like to drink water because I feel like my body needs it, but the key is to drink room temperature water so it's less of a shock to my system. With that said, I definitely recommend continuing to drink water after you use the sauna as well as beforehand, in addition to keeping in mind dehydrating factors such as drinking alcohol or too much coffee during the rest of the day. Number 2, sauna in a fasted state. Ideally, you want a sauna in a fasted state, or in other words, not having eaten for at least 3 to 4 hours, mainly because it's easier for your body to absorb water while there's not a lot of food in your stomach. For this reason, I think the best time to sauna is right after I work out in the late morning. This routine works great because it allows several hours during the early morning to hydrate properly. And then after I finish working out and finish the sauna and then cool down, then it's a great time to refuel with my first meal or shake of the day. Number 3, electrolyte intake. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge and include the most abundant minerals in your body. Carbon as bicarbonate, calcium, phosphorus as phosphate, magnesium, potassium, sodium, and chlorine as chloride. Electrolytes plus water are what your body needs as raw materials to produce sweat, and consequently they are lost in sweat and need continuously replaced. Table salt, electrolyte drinks, and other mineral supplements are all good ways to increase electrolyte levels. Do pay special attention though to the mineral magnesium, which is readily lost in sweat and is the second most common dietary deficiency right behind vitamin D. Number 4, trace minerals. Just like with electrolytes, those who exercise or use the sauna regularly should be paying attention to their levels of important trace minerals such as zinc, selenium, and iodine. These minerals are also excreted in the sweat and need replaced more often in athletes and sauna users. A nutritious whole food diet will go a long way towards getting adequate amounts of these minerals in, but supplementation may be needed as well. Personally, I use a combination of supplementation and getting good nutrition in my diet. Now you can definitely overdo it with certain mineral supplements, so be sure to do your research before you buy and consume. Number 5, take a cold shower afterwards. There are so many benefits to routine cold exposure that a book or two would really be needed to detail them all. Cold showers improve mood, willpower, and emotional resilience. They reduce stress and depression, increase focus and alertness, stimulate weight loss, boost fertility, improve circulation and cardiovascular health, improve immunity, and enhance workout recovery, just to name a few. Just a minute or two in cold water post-sauna will make you feel amazing and grateful for life. Now, if you're new to cold showers, you can start with the water lukewarm and gradually reduce it to full cold. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Number 6, if you're new to the sauna, remember the rule of 200, which is used by the North American Sauna Society and measured in degrees Fahrenheit. And that is, temperature plus humidity should equal somewhere in the neighborhood of the number 200. For example, my at-home steam sauna is an average of 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit with a humidity of around 90 to 100%. So add those numbers together and you get about our target number at somewhere between 195 and 210. This rule will help you gauge which combination of heat and humidity is right for you so you can make adjustments if needed. So number 7, and this is really one of the most important suggestions, is please don't die. Remember, around 20 minutes or so is usually good for most sauna users, maybe 25 to 30 if you take a while to heat up and sweat. However, if you go any longer than that, using the sauna will cease to be a health benefit and could be potentially dangerous, as there are people who have actually died from using the sauna for too long. If you're new to the sauna, I would advise setting a timer for around 10 to 15 minutes and then gradually working up to a little bit longer if you need. And that concludes the video today for 7 of the most important things to remember to keep your sauna experience as comfortable and safe as possible. Thank you for being here today. I appreciate you taking the time to watch and look forward to seeing you next time.